Migratory birds are fascinating creatures that embark on epic journeys across the globe, driven by instinct and necessity. These incredible travelers migrate in search of food, suitable breeding grounds, and more favorable weather conditions. Their flight paths are not just mere crossings over land, but are fine-tuned symphonies of endurance and precision. Did you know that some migratory birds travel thousands of kilometers every season, crossing continents and oceans? Among the myriad of migratory birds, some stand out for their beauty and unique abilities. Take the hummingbird, for instance. Known for being the smallest among its peers, it's a marvel of nature. This tiny bird is capable of flying nonstop for more than 18 hours. Its iridescent feathers flicker like emeralds in the sunlight, adding sparkle to its extraordinary journey. Then there's the pelican, a majestic bird celebrated for its long migratory flights. Watch as they form mesmerizing V formations in the sky, a scene straight out of a poet's dream. With wings wide and mighty, they glide gracefully, each stroke of their wings a testament to the endurance etched in their genetics. Storks, on the other hand, are legends of the sky. Known for their extensive travels between Europe and Africa, these birds are a symbol of wanderlust incarnate. Picture them soaring at sunrise, their silhouettes painting ethereal scenarios. Every movement, every wing beat echoes the ancient routes they have flown for millennia. The journey of migration takes these birds across diverse environments, from the scorching expanses of deserts to the boundless azure of seas and the towering grandeur of mountains. Each landscape presents its own set of challenges, yet these avian adventurers have adapted marvelously. Observe their resilience as they navigate these terrains with instinctive grace. While these migrations are awe-inspiring, not all stories are filled with wonder. Some species, like the white heron and the bald eagle, face the threat of extinction. These endangered migratory birds remind us of the fragile balance in nature. Their plight calls for increased awareness and action to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. In preserving migratory birds, we safeguard not just a species, but a legacy of natural wonder, a testament to survival against odds and the perennial marvel of nature's grand ballet across Earth's vast canvas.